And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I make it clear, I state my case, of which I'm certain. And I've lived a life that's full. I travel each and every highway and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Regret, I had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do, and saw it through without exception. I planned each other course, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Stereotypes, I'm sure you knew, when I bit off more than I could chew, and through it all, where they was out, I ate it up and spit it out. I faced it all, and I stood tall, and did it my way. I laughed and cried, I had my fill, my share of losing. And now, as tears subside, I find it all so amusing. The thing I did all that, and may I say, not in a shy way. Oh no, not me. I did it my way. For what is a man? What has he got, if not himself? Then he has not to say the things he truly feels, and not the hurt of the one it is. The record show I took the blows and did it my way.